Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the heading arithmetic progression. This time will shortly we are saying AP. So hereafter we say AP means that is called arithmetic progression. So the number of the form is what called means A plus D, A plus 2D, comma A plus 3D. So AP. AP means listen. Here we are having 2, 4, 6, 8. Like this we are having any sequence means 2 and then 4 means in between we are having two numbers plus 2 is there. Difference is there plus 2. Then here to here 4 to 6 the difference is 2. Here to here the difference is 2. The difference will be same in the sequence fully. How many times we are writing means the same number difference we are getting. So like this one term is there means that is called AP. This heading itself sequence and series only heading. So this is one consecutive sequence. So 2 means then 4, then 6, then 8, 10 like this only we are having the numbers. And then suppose we are having 3. 3 means 6, 9. So difference is what? Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Like this only we are having the sequence means that is called AP, arithmetic progression. That is plus 3 or minus 3, negative value or positive value. But we need to get the common difference in the sequence. So listen. So what they are given means, for example 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, the terms are going. The given first number is what? That is called A, that is called first term. First term, first number means first term, we have to call first term, that is we mentioned denoted A. A means first term. Then this is, and then this is term 1, T1, T2, T3, T4. Like this we have to mention. So how we have to, I am saying what? 2. The difference is 2 only. How we have to calculate the term means the formula T2 minus T1. That is 2, 4, 6, 8. So this one I mentioned T1, T2, T3, T4. So this is I told first term A, T2 minus T1, D equal to T2 minus T1. T2 is what? 4, 4 minus 2. We get answer 2. This is the common difference. D equal to common difference. We have to say common difference D. So T2 minus T2. So here 2 means here also we need to get what? 2. So T3 minus T2. T3 is what? 6. 6 minus 4? 2 only. So 6 minus 4. What they are getting? 2 only we get. So like this only T1, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2, because here we are getting difference 2 means here also we are getting difference 2. So for each term will be equal. T4 minus T3 also equal. T4 minus T3 also equal. So like this only we have to find the difference. Right. So the same thing, they are given number of the forms A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. They form one equation, general form, that is called. So how we are, it is how possible. For here I am saying 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. First term 2, that is called A. Second difference is what? We find it 2. 4 minus 2 we are getting 2. We find it 2. So apply here. First term A. 2 we are getting. D 2 only. 2 plus 2. What are you getting? 4. Then A equal to 2. Already we are having 2D only. 2 into 2. What are you getting? 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 2. 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So this form will be satisfied for AP. So they are given the general form of the AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Like this they are given for general. Right? And then number of the form. This is general term. We have to find the term means Tn. This is very important formula. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is general term. We have to find the term. 19th term, 20th term they are asking. That time we have to using this formula. Then sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is given means A minus D, A plus D. They are balancing. Listen. Here we are given A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. This is the form. This is also same thing. Consecutive means like this A plus D, A plus 2D means we are doing that like means the sum will have to take the long time to complete the sum. But for convenient we take A plus is this side, A minus D. Balancing. Here plus, here minus. Both are balancing. This is neutral. Like this we are having means we can find the solution very shortly. For example, last example also I told A is 2, D also 2, A minus D, A plus D. How is this possible means, listen, 2 only A na, 2, D equal to what? 2. Here, A equal to 2, D equal to what? 2. So, here 2, 4, 0. This also AP only. For this 0 to 2, what we are getting? 2 is the difference. 2 to 4, what we are getting? 2 is the difference. So, the term is in the AP. So, this also satisfied. So, in the given note, they are given for finding the sum of 3 consecutive means we take like this means we get the solution easily. So here common difference is what? D. This is T1, T2, T3. T1, T2, T3. T2 minus T1 you do, we get the answer. And then sum of 4 consecutive terms of an AP is A plus D and then this side A minus D. Balancing. A plus 3D and then A minus 3D. So like this we take means we can find the solution easily. Right? So here common difference is 2D. Here also you take T1, T2, T3, T4 and then calculate you are getting the answer. Right?